Hello, this is Python Statistical, and today we're going to review and provide a solution to the problem I had with the Matplotlib multiple line plot of the ASX Australian stock market data. So if I run this program, we see that running this under Anaconda using Python 3.6 that we have a problem. It's running now, and we can see that it's actually stacked the graphs on top of each other, as we can see here, because you see that the y-axis goes from minus to 0, then positive, and goes minus again. So it's actually stacked each of the plots on top of each other, which is not what we want. So let's see what happens if we run the exact same code but in Python 3.5. So we're running it now. And we get a completely different result. It's actually giving us what we are expecting. As you can see, the y-axis goes from minus 4 to 0 and then to plus 8. And there's no stacking of those plots. So let's see what version of Matplotlib we're running, and also of Pandas, because that is also used in creating these graphs. So first we import Matplotlib, and then Pandas, and then to print what version of the module we're running, we just simply go matplotlib dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore, and we print that, and we'll do the same for Pandas. So we'll run that now. So we can see that we're running version 1.5.1 and Pandas version 0.22.0. This is under Python 3.5. So let's see what version of Matplotlib and Pandas we're running under Python 3.6, which is what is available under Anaconda. So let's run that. And we can see that we are running a much newer version of Matplotlib, 2.1.2, and we're running the same version of Pandas as in Python 3.5. So the problem is more than likely to lie with Matplotlib. So what could be causing the problem? Well, the clue is in the spreadsheets we generate from running this program. So if we have a look at the spreadsheet for Domain Holdings Australia Limited, and we click on change in percent cell, we see that there is a quotation mark in front of that number. This means it's still a string and not an actual numeric format. So it seems that the earlier version of Matplotlib is able to handle that conversion of the string into a proper numeric format that Matplotlib can then correctly plot. So we need to convert the string variable to a numeric variable. And there so happens to be a method available in Pandas to convert your string variable to a numeric formatted variable. So I'll just copy that in now. So it's the to_numeric method is what we use. So we take the change in percent, which is a string, from our data frame, ASX underscore stock underscore price, and we set that equal to our numerical version of that variable. So now I want to plot that one, the numeric version, so we put underscore num on the end of the change in percent, and now we'll run that and see what happens. So it's running, And there it is. It's actually done it correctly. So as you can see, it goes from -3, -4, up to +4 in this case. So that will bring us to the end of this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. And if you really like these videos, please subscribe to Python Statistical. Thank you for watching.